The bigger the better. Even for literacy, it's time for Library Make. Playing games, like the board game we made in a previous video, helps your child learn counting skills, fair play, and turn-taking. Just looking at the dots on a die can help your child's number literacy. But dice are small and hard to read and pick up for kids, not to mention very easy to lose. So today I'll show you how to make a giant die from materials you already have at home.
For this craft you'll need cardboard, paper, several bright colors would look best, duct tape, scissors, a glue stick, a ruler, and a pencil or marker. Let's get crafting. First, draw 6 squares on your cardboard. Use your ruler to make sure your squares are the same size. I made mine 7 inches by 7 inches. Next, cut out the cardboard squares. This part is for an adult. Now it's time to create a cube. Lay your squares in a cross shape with any printing or logos facing up. Use the duct tape to attach the squares along their edges. Fold it up into a cube, still taping the inside edges. The last side's a little tricky. Ta-da! You've made a cube! Add duct tape along each outside edge to reinforce them. It'll need to withstand some bumps during play. Finally, add dots to the sides of your cube. Trace and cut out circles. I used a little bottle to trace my circles. They're about 1.5 inches across. I also used a different color of paper for each side of the die, but one color would work just as well. Stick them on the outside of the cube, numbering 1 through 6 like a real die. If your circles need more definition, trace the outsides with a marker. There it is! You've finished your die. Now it's time to play. First, just let your child look at the die, counting the dots and learning the number for each side. This die is also great for replacing the die in your favorite board game. Try it with one from the store, or try making your own. Our video about it is linked in the description. Another idea is to create a game matching each number to an action. Make a sign with each number paired to a motion or a picture describing that motion. Psst, we've made one for you. The link is in the description. Roll the die, then have your child name the number, check the sign, and do the indicated motion. They'll improve their counting skills while getting rid of extra energy.
Enjoy playing and counting together. But be careful, once you make this giant die, you might start wanting to find ways to supersize all your family games. Giant checkers, anyone? Happy making!